baby starts as space, and as it comes into the world, it picks up its identity, picks up the assumption of separation, of location, of lack, and all the conditions that then makes it feel unwhole, dissatisfied, and makes it seek, at first, substances, experiences, relationships, and as it finds entheogens, meditation, self-inquiry, it slowly begins dissolving the assumptions of separation, of lack, of location, and it returns to the primordial source that gave rise to it. And from there, occasionally, the sense of self can jut out a little bit, and then it'll relax, jut out a little bit, relax. And this is what's called purification, the alchemy, the deconditioning. And that is how to use a child's toy to understand the nature of reality.